What's going on? So today we got a video from Arrest Cam Fish and Wildlife. The title of the video is Sheriff Wrestles with Alligator in Residential Pool. All right, this video was requested by a subscriber, so shout out to you. Let's get into it.
If you like fish and wildlife content, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. On July 25th, 2025, St. Johns County Sheriff's Office received a call in reference to an alligator in a backyard swimming pool.
Hey, I heard you got an alligator problem.
Yeah.
Is it?
I'm kidding. It's like the size of your arm.
Let me see.
Let's go ahead and put him out his collar.
Yep, it's out. Turn that one.
Oh, it's a baby gator?
And now go ahead and turn your whole pump off until the alligator's out.
Okay.
It's not that.
I contacted my SWC buddy, and
Good.
he's not. He's unfortunately he doesn't come out till 9. But whenever he's out, I usually catch him. I usually catch him for him.
Ooh,
I would say 4 foot.
You think?
he's little. She's little.
They usually don't. Oh, there's no one across the pond too, huh?
Yeah, that one's
that
cute.
one is
That one's bigger.
that one came after me in my lawn.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I can take that one.
That one's ready to go.
Yeah.
Hey man, what
He's
is
out.
He's probably gonna go back in the water when we get near him,
Here,
though.
yeah, open the door. There's a door over there.
Yeah.
Oh, you made it out. Wow.
Oh, I thought this was gonna be a big boy.
Yeah, I kind of figured he was gonna do that. All right, let's see. Y'all have one of those bull
He's a
nets?
smart little fella.
right over here to the left? Right over here to the left.
Over here? Okay.
Right on the left side.
He said, y'all ain't getting me that easy.
Yeah. Trapper's not going to be able to do much with them just because the trapper, the way they make money, is they aren't paid by the state. They come if the alligator's big enough that they can harvest it and then sell the meat and sell the skin.
Right.
And that's how they make any money.
I reported the
They wouldn't
one
be able
over
to do
there
that. Yeah.
when they call because there's a much bigger one there, and that one
I bet that one
gets
is
aggressive
tagged.
at you.
Yeah.
I thought they tagged that one to watch it.
The one on the other side, like Doug stopped mowing the lawn. He was like,
Do you need me to get another pole and somehow?
No, I'm just trying to think about how we're going to do this. First off, you guys have any electrical tape? I lost mine catching the last one.
Yeah.
We can get some electrical tape or something.
Gorilla tape in my truck.
Okay.
He's a baby.
I'll try to get him over there above the
The baby just wants to go for a swim. I'm sorry, property nice and everything, but man, that thing got gators and all types of stuff over there. I'm good. I do not want to live over there, but this got to be Florida.
temple.
You hear about gators all the time in Florida.
Okay.
kind
Yeah.
of steered them towards you.
If I could use that one, that'd probably be a little better. So I got to use this net.
Yeah, this one's a little.
Appreciate it.
Yes, sir. Yeah, that looks too.
Come on, buddy.
Ooh, she's trying to bite this.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Well, you know that might work too, actually.
here you go, here you go. Holy cow, go.
Okay.
You want it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that actually.
Watch my step.
Don't play with him. He gonna get you together.
I know you mad.
Baby gator gonna get you together. You better act right. Oh, you let him go. Oh,
I got you. You're fine.
baby gator, strong boy. You better have a firm grip, because he gonna, what?
You're Superman.
I got yours.
I know.
What do you need it for?
I know. You're Superman.
Oh, that should be good.
He just want to go for a swim. You better have a strong grip, boy. If you ain't got a strong grip, he gonna get you to act right.
Where are you running? So cute. You're so cute. You go. Wow. I am. Man. Obviously, you grew up here.
Yeah,
Yeah.
a couple times.
I'm from
So.
Pennsylvania. I'm like, I ain't going near that damn thing.
You definitely grew up here.
Is
Yeah.
that about 4 footer?
Wow.
Yeah, he's probably
5?
probably about more.
Is it guy?
I don't know. I can't. You can't
Were you
sex him
gonna
like
let her
that.
out? He out.
I usually find a pond in the area that doesn't have any.
It's that one.
So
I think we go fishing at that little one over there, right across the circle, but it's not an easy
Yeah.
walk.
well, I'll load him up in the back of my car,
Okay.
and I'll take him to a pond that doesn't have any
so
residential.
cool.
Like it's not a residential
Also,
pond.
Right,
So
right.
we'll do that.
Those fish are wild. I mean,
St. John's
Yeah,
County
he's
Sheriff's.
probably all 5 foot.
Yeah. You might get in the gate for me.
Yeah.
Thank you.
That is 5 feet. That was like 12.
And I'll tell you what. You want to touch
I
it?
swear. Yes. Yes, I want to touch
ahead.
it. You won't hiss at me, right?
Yo, it is.
Oh. Wait, hold on. Can I get a picture of this? Me touching the gator?
Now that I know that the sheriff has him in his hand,
right.
there,
Big boy.
now I can feel all bad and brazen.
that is so cool.
How are you just holding him like a fish?
Richardson.
Yeah.
Okay.
So.
Thank you very much.
Florida's grown at its small. Oh, wow. Who needs fish
I was
and
kind of
wildlife?
wondering how the
Yeah. Perfect. Thank you. Yeah. What's that?
Beautiful neighborhood.
To get paid to do it. Yeah. Thank you. Chill out.
Just the baby.
I know you're mad. I know. I know. You're so angry.
Imagine getting hit by that tail when he's an adult. Oh my goodness. Yeah, buckle him in. Imagine getting hit by that tail now. But wait till he got full strength. He ain't got full strength yet. Man, that tail'll get you together, boy. I ain't wrestling no gator though. I ain't gonna lie to you. I don't care if
In
it's a
the
baby
end,
or
The
not.
alligator was charged with trespassing and resisting arrest. If you like this video and want to see more like it, subscribe.
The gator was charged with trespassing and resisting arrest. That's so funny.
In the end, the alligator was charged with trespassing and resisting arrest. If you like this video and want to see more,
Yo, they funny. They funny for that, man. Man, if this is a little test run, I ain't gonna lie to you, because this is not the typical content that that I do or whatever. So this is a little test run. If people want to see, if people are into the wildlife stuff and want to see that, then we'll see moving forward. But anyway, I'm gonna get this officer, man. I'm gonna give him a 5 out of 5, man, because he got the courage to wrestle a gator, whether it's a big boy or it's a baby. I ain't wrestling no gator. So he get a 5 out of 5 from me, okay? And let me know how well you think this officer did. And I'm gonna catch you in the next video.
Watch when I get in the mood. Bow.
No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.